On this adventure, we are traveling to the most top-secret Air Force base in the world, Area 51.
There's somebody right now who has a sniper scope on us.
I don't know what this is, but there's a light in the sky coming in on Rachel, Nevada. This guy's pulling over to watch it too.
Yeah, I know. We're just gonna drive to it. This is Little Alien.
That light is still down there, bro. So we are at Little Alien.
In 1990, a tavern was turned into the Little Alien. And in 1996, the main highway turned into the extraterrestrial highway.
There's some people sitting over there. See if maybe we can get actual directions out to Area 51.
Isn't it just follow the road?
No.
Look at this. Well, that's just cool. It looks so much better moving than it was just sitting there. Look what is over there.
Welcome, Earthlings.
We ended up meeting and talking to the owner at the Little Alien. She just got off work, so she didn't want to be filmed, but she did give us directions on how to get into the back gates of Area 51.
Many minutes later.
We're going someplace where we ain't got no business being. I'm waiting to see headlights back off here in the field somewhere.
You know they're bored, nothing to do right now, right?
Oh yeah. Oh my god, bro, look. It's outlined.
That's where the map stops.
Yeah, because Groom Lake is taken off of all maps.
If we hit an alien, can we get out and inspect it?
Nope. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see shit. Is that?
It's what?
You don't see the flashing light up there?
Isn't that the gate?
It might be, but I don't remember it being a flashing light.
Where'd that light go?
I remember what I said, bro. You walk past the fucking gate or touch anything, I will kill you myself.
We're not touching it, but never thought I'd be doing this, but I'm doing this.
We're just YouTubers. This is almost as close as I want to get. Oh my god.
Yeah! Thank you!
Hey, all I'm saying is they're lining us up for a pretty good shot right now.
Let's show these people who the 7 Squad are. Alright, bring out the party poopers. What up, 7 Squad? I'm Goose Wayne!
And I'm B-Watt the Venice.
And meanwhile, where are we?
We're in Area 51.
You two, we have now done it.
Oh.
Thanks, guys. We'll go back to our lights.
If you want us to leave, turn them back on.
That's the party poopers that we were just talking about.
Yep.
But anyways, Savage Squad, we're here at Area 51. Now this is a
bucket list item, bro.
some place that we wanted to go to for many years. Talked about going and doing that thing, and here we are doing that thing.
We got headlights coming at us.
Let 'em come. There's not much we can do here, but we're gonna do it.
I'm staying on the road.
I'm not touching it. That barbed wire is serious, though. Yeah. These are the famous signs that you see. Thank you! You too, thanks you too.
Hey, you see the big sign where it says photography of this area prohibited?
I'm not taking photos. I love it. Most places I go to and say, it's beautiful. This isn't really beautiful, but it's freaking awesome. Meet one.
I'm comfortable right here.
You are so far away from that man.
I can see everything.
I apologize for the shaky camera. Mind you, we are in the desert. I am 115 pounds soaking wet. I will shiver. It's just science.
Yes, science!
But look at that, you guys. So it goes
forever.
Should we talk about what could be in there?
Aliens.
If I was to ask you what an alien looks like, how would you picture it?
Big round head, big black eyes, gray.
Do they wear clothes?
No. Only in the movie Paul did they wear clothes. In the movie Aliens, they ripped your face off.
No. Didn't the camera dudes have the answer to the alien question?
Yeah, but they ain't gonna answer our question.
Yeah, it's an Air Force base, and I guess sometimes you can see the lights in the sky.
They put these bright lights on you so you can't see nothing. I really want to know who this is.
They're probably just sitting there waiting to say, okay guys, it's a go. But these guys are bad. Hurry up here.
Yeah.
The security here, you guys, is really intense. You know, you gotta get to these guys. They're pretty tough as far as we've seen on videos, but at the end of the day, they are people.
No, they're robots at the end of the day.
We're not trying to be out here giving them a hard time. We're just out here just making a video. The mystery is really much there. You know, what is over there? What is behind the mountains? Who knows? That's something that we will never have the privilege of knowing. Speculation is aliens, and I want to see an alien. Like, we are right here. Come at me, aliens. We welcome you to the Savage Squad. I want to interview an alien, bro.
Yeah, we're not gonna interview an alien out here.
Shout out to Amber who couldn't be here with us.
Yeah, we need to go before they get up here.
If somebody's gonna be here, they'd be out of here at the guardhouse telling us to back off.
I'm waiting for them to figure out that we've worn out our welcome.
Look at this bird.
That's a bat.
No, it's not. It was huge. Look at that. It's like an owl. That's not an owl noise.
Those lights are getting closer.
Let them. This is public property, bro.
Yeah, I know it's.
We might have some action for this video.
Yeah, we just heard some bangs and clangs.
I love my mama and I love Jesus. We're not different.
These people don't have mamas, and they don't know what Jesus is. There's somebody right now who has a sniper scope on us. Dude, it's been proven. They have snipers all up in the hills. Dude, I guarantee you that's camo dudes coming up the street.
They would have been here by now.
No, it's 11 miles to back here.
It's serious lights. Yikes. Is this a drone flying right here, bro?
How do we know what's flying out of here?
Man, I would love to see something flying in the sky. That'd be so cool.
Nah, bro, that's camo dudes. We're being watched.
Well,
Because they're not.
like and subscribe, you guys. Thank you for letting us come out here. We hope we're not wasting your time. We probably are wasting your time.
Yeah.
But sorry, not sorry. Thanks for watching our channel. Like, subscribe. That's night aircraft.
Yeah, it might be time to go.
You guys, we keep bringing you lit content after lit content, and it's just fire every time.
Oh, yeah.
What more can you ask for? Indiana boys bringing you to Area 51. It's kind of the heebie-jeebies. I'm freezing. I'm shaking. Sorry for the shaky video. It's in the desert. What do you expect? But anyways, you got anything you want to say about this part, bro?
I'm done playing with the government.
It's possible his adventure's not over yet.
Yeah.
Lights straight down the road from us.
Yeah. They're waiting on us.
You guys saw that.
If they weren't waiting on us, bro, they would have been here by now.
Well, if they got something to say, then come out and say it. Until next time, I love you guys. Live your life.
Love yourself.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
Peace.
Bye.
Those are lights coming right at us.
Can we go back? I felt safer at the gates.
I feel safe whenever we pull into that little hotel.